What's up, you guys? It's your girl Suzie back again with another video. I'm not loud because, you know, I'm outside in public and I don't want to be extra for you guys, but you know, I gotta be extra when I get home. I planned on doing a wash and go. Wanted to see what it would look like. I'm gonna show you guys what I use. I forgot that I ran out of it, so now I gotta go. And I'm at the wonderful Target where I can get it at a decent price. So let's go. Y'all, I ain't been in Target so long. I don't know where nothing is at. Y'all, I got my curling style milk. My phone is about to die. It really is. But I need some curtains. Which one should I get? I hate pink. Something nice and simple, not all this. Oh my gosh, this would be at like my grandma's house. What the heck? Oh child, look rough. Y'all, I am home. I'm still tired, but what got me excited is I came up to my door and I saw a package. I got my package. Oh, I look so rough with this dang collared shirt. Child, I do not like collared shirt, nothing. Feel like I'm back in middle school. I ordered this 2 days ago and y'all gonna see me unbox this. But first, I need to get my life together and I'll be right back. So I ordered this package 2 days ago. Honestly, it said I wasn't gonna get it until I think the 20th to the 26th, and today is the 15th. And I'm like, I know I'm not gonna get my package next week because Thanksgiving coming up, Black Friday coming up, and it's mad crazy. I got the email yesterday saying, oh, it's out for delivery, and I said, what? It is? It is? Because I'm like, dang, I'm trying to give y'all videos back to back to back, and this is what I need. And I'm like, okay, I can just wait a few more days. I'll be cool. I'll be even more excited. But since it's here, just gonna open it up with you guys. Do I need like a knife? I need something to open the box. Get it! Ah! Y'all already know I got this from Amazon. I didn't even tell y'all what it is yet. How rude of me. It's basically, when I open the box, you're gonna see it. I'm so extra. I got a box cutter, you guys, and I decided to get the knife. Wait, y'all can't see my address, right? Open up this bad boy. Oh, this knife is too big to be playing with. Oh, Jesus. Open it. It feel like Christmas. Oh my gosh, who is ready for Christmas? Like, I hope somebody give me something, cause girl be wanting to open this. I know I'm old. What is this? Okay. It's small. Don't tell me I gotta open a whole nother box. What? This is gorgeous. It's black. I honestly thought it was gonna be bigger than this. Your girl, look at me. Girl. Hold on, how we do this? Act like you put it on your book bag, Suzanne. How you? Whew. It's a little bit tight. It's snugged. Oh my gosh. This thing is, ooh, I am too large for this. Child, this is for my little sister, a little brother or something. Oh my goodness. Y'all see me? I'm about to go shoot a video. Y'all don't even know what's in the bag. I'm gonna take it off. Oh my gosh. I can't even. What I got was I got a camera stand, you guys. And it extends till about, they don't got instructions in the bag. I know when you get things and they give you instructions and we don't really read it, but can I get some instructions? I should just know how to work this thing, right? How you, child, I don't want to break it. Ow, I just hit my chin. How do you, okay, Suzanne, be smart. Okay, it's a little knob thingy. It's doing something. Oh my goodness. Y'all done messed up with this. Y'all done, and you still going. Okay, that's it. What's happening here? Why it's not going up? Oh. Alright, eventually I'll figure out how to work this thing, but for the most part, I think I got it. Turn this bad boy like a little knob, coming right back down. Okay. That's what I wanted to show you guys. I got a little camera stand. What I was working with was it was a small tripod. The first one I got from Amazon, and it was like really flexible. And then the second one I got was from Walmart. I'm gonna put the links for both of those items in the description, and I will also give a review on this camera stand, tripod stand for your cellular technological device. Okay, so this is how you close it. You gotta push it up and then closing my finger. And there it is. Let's get started with this wash and go. I'm gonna get ready to wash my hair. If you do want to see how I wash my hair, I'm going to put a link in the description. I think I wash my hair the same exact way. I part it out into sections. I know it's a lot of work for most people, like you don't have time for that. But for me, I do it because my hair is, as you can see, it's not as smooth as one would like it to be. And combing it out, it really hurts. Yes, it does. It don't matter if I comb it from the ends going up, it hurts. I'm just gonna basically speed up the process of me preparing my hair for a wash. These braids are from my recent video, which I would also put the link in the description, and you go ahead and check that out on how I managed to obtain these wonderful braids that is not wonderful anymore. Enough of me talking. I'm really getting used to talking a lot now to you guys, and I just love it. So that means you can ask me questions and I will be gladly to answer your questions. By all means, hit me up in the comments down below. I wanted to wash my hair because it's been way too long, and I figured I'd show you guys this wash and go. Like I honestly think it's not finna, you know, go how I think it's gonna go. And that turbo. You can get a big Chanel like in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they said it if I got them on it. I bought a new bag, I had to watch some tones. Taking it, don't want me up into the morning. Get into your car, you just. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Every other night another dollar get made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this is a parade. I don't want your child. Do it like Brady, foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my niggas. Your boy wants some more. Going to the drill, what's the AP? Yes, that girl slicked that thing back in a ponytail. Ooh, that forehead shining. Here I am combing out this section, you know, just making sure everything is nice and combed out so it doesn't hurt my scalp. And then I go ahead and apply water, and then I apply the shampoo. It is important that you rub that shampoo all on your scalp, rub your fingers through your hair, make sure it is getting every aspect of your hair. Because you don't want to walk around with dirty hair. You don't. And then I go ahead and twist it. Dang, my old wet back self. Open some kisses. I can't get blown when she gets hungry. All she like when I turn, she want me. She really don't deserve me. All she wanna do is hurt me. Oh, I gotta get away from her. My bad, y'all. I'll wet y'all up. So I just got done washing my hair. Child look like Lil Bow Wow. Like, I never really wear my hair out in an afro because I feel like I look weird. Probably if it's longer, like if it'll get longer, then yeah, I'll wear it in an afro, but let's just see. Normally when I style my hair, like after I wash my hair, I use this for my scalp. It's called Wild Growth Hair Oil, and I got it from my local hair store. You can also get it at Walmart, but I think it's like online. Like, I haven't seen it in stores. I think it's about $8 or so. You can't find it any cheaper than that. I think that's as good as it gets. And this is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus and Curl Style Milk that I will be using on my hair. That's a lot. It's dripping. Drip too hard though. Stand too. Here I am rubbing the oil through my hair. And then the curl and style milk. Rub it up real nice. Yes. And let's speed this bad boy up, 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 up. Like I told y'all, my hair is not the hair for this. It's not okay. But you get the idea. It's bouncy though. Let me try to fix this disaster of a wash and go. Ain't going nowhere looking like this. Okay, so I guess this is the final look. Something quick, simple, and easy. Yes. Y'all don't ever catch me doing a wash and go like that ever again. Unless my hair gets longer. My everything. I guess that's it for today's video. This is how I go ahead and tie my hair down. I just plait it up. And that's about it. And prepare it for the next morning.